welcome to the first CPL T20 match between Jamaica vs TKR. Before knowing the preview of this video, so please go to the Telegram channel and type target for grinding. You will get my Telegram channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any changes in the teams, so that I will give you my teams in my Telegram channel only, and I will give you the tips in my Telegram channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel. Now we will see the preview in this short time only. I will explain you briefly who are the players to watch today's match. So listen carefully. Venue will be the Brain Lara Stadium. Pitch condition will be the weather forecast for today is not looking great in the Turbo currently. Thunderstorms are predicted on the match day, and we can only hope for this clearing out very soon in the morning. In the terms of playing condition, pitches in the first week here were slightly better for batting than ones of the Queen Park Oval. We can expect the same here this week, but still there will be some help for the slower bowlers and batting first in this venue as I preferred. So in this tournament, the batting first will they have won 7 matches, friends, and batting second they won 2 matches. So while chasing this pitch is very difficult. So while batting first, so you have to go with the batsmen only in this pitch, and you can go with bowlers also, spinners also. And coming to the this pitch, Pacers took the wickets till now in this venue is 59 wickets, and spinners took the wickets till now in this venue is 55 wickets, and pitch is supporting both spinners and pacers. As you saw, 59 wickets and 55 wickets, there is nothing lot of difference. This pitch is supporting both pacers and spinners. And coming to the playing 11 of probable playing 11, G Phillips and Bonner, J Blackwood, R Powell, Asif Ali, C Walton, C Brathwaite, V Perumal, S Lamchani, M Rahman, F Edwards. Coming to the probable playing 11 of the TKR, L Simmons, Steve Webster, C Munro, D Bravo, Kieran Pollard, Tim Siffert, Akil Hussain, S Raja, K Pyre, F Ahmed, J Seals. And this is the probable playing 11 of the both teams. Coming to the stats of the Jamaica players, so please listen carefully. G Phillips opened 28 matches, 1007 runs, and he is very good touch with bat. He is very good form also. So he is the only player who is playing for Jamaica only, like 50 to 70 runs. So he is a very important player. And N Bonner is also another good player. 2 matches, 27 runs, a very attacking batsman. So he can get at least 20 to 35 runs in the power play only. So you can go with both openers. Jay Blackwood is another good player who has a good experience, and he starts at 22 matches, 246 runs. And the player to watch today's match is Jay Blackwood also. R. Powell is the captain of this team, and he has a lot of responsibility, but he didn't play any crucial role in this tournament till now. So he starts at 39 matches, 782 runs, 12 wickets. Asif Ali, 3 down batsman, 162 runs, 1058 runs. C. Walton, 4 down batsman, 73 matches, 1779 runs. And he also didn't perform anything in this tournament. C. Brathwaite, 5th down batsman, 56 matches, 615 runs and 45 wickets. M. Rahman, 111 matches, 115 wickets, and Lamchani 11 matches, 15 wickets. E. Edwards 21 matches, 24 wickets. V. Perumal 79 matches, 54 wickets. And I will explain you the combination of this Jamaica. So listen carefully. G. Philip and Bonner. These are the two players, very attacking players who can get at least 30 to 40 runs, like in the power play only. So you can go with both of them. And this team has a very weak batting strength. So we have to see today's match, and the middle order strength is J Blackwood, A Powell, A Ali, C Walton, C Brathwaite, and C Walton is not at all in good touch. Asif Ali, who can get 20 to 30 runs, and he can get almost, if he is very good hitter also, he can get at least 60 runs like individual only. And our Powell, he didn't perform any match. So as we have to see is today's match, and see Brathwaite who can perform some good runs in the match also. So these are the middle order batsmen. Their middle order batting order is very weak. So this team has a batting order is very weak. So coming to the stats of the TK players, L Simmons opener 71 matches, 2080 runs. T Webster opener 10 matches, 163 runs. C Munro 46 matches, 1546 runs. D Bravo 2 down batsman, 69 matches, 1429 runs. Tim Sifford 82 matches, 1642 runs. A Hussain 34 matches, 15 wickets. A Pollard 5 down batsman, or he can promote himself, 70 matches, 1759 runs, 47 wickets. S Raja 100 matches, 1976 runs. 39 wickets, and K. Pai 25 matches, 25 wickets. JC 56 matches, 39 wickets. F. Ahmad 22 matches, 32 wickets. And opening bowling combination for the Jamaica Talawas is F. Edwards and V. Parmal. He is the pacer and he is the spinner. So these are the two players who can start the spell for Jamaica. And middle order bowlers are M. Rahman, Lamchani, C. Brathwaite or R. Powell. R. Powell has a very less chances of bowling, like he can bowl 1 or 2 overs only. Depth bowling combination will be C. Brathwaite, F. Edwards. Opening bowling combination for TKR is A. Hussain, K. Pai, J. Seals. These are the three players who can bowl in the power play and they can get some wickets. Also middle order bowling will be K. Pollard, F. Ahmad, and coming to depth bowling also J. Seals, K. Pollard. And I will explain this team as a batting combination. Lemon Simmons is not with good touch, but as we have to see today's match only, he is a very good attacking player. If he get at least 30 to 40 runs, he can score 70 to 80 runs. So we have to see today's match. T. Webster is another young attacking players, so you can get the earlier also, you can get some score in earlier overs, and maybe you can get wicket in the earlier over only. So Colin Munro, he got two deck outs in the previous two matches. See, D Bravo is a very good touch. He is getting some crucial runs like 30 to 40 runs in every match, so you have to consider him as an important player. Tim Seifert, he didn't perform anything in this tournament till now. So we have to see today's match only. Akhil Hussain is also another good player. K. Pollard, as you know, is a very big hitter, so you can go with them. So while if TKR is batting first, so remember one thing, that Kieron Pollard can promote himself as a 2 down or 3 down player, and he can play very crucial role. So you have to go with as a vice captain or captain, and because he is a very important player, and this team has a very strong middle order batting combination like C. Munro, D. Bravo, T. Seifert also. So you have to go with three of them, because this middle order combination is very attacking also. So, and coming to the like 15 overs, so that Kieron Pollard can complete this match as a very good score. And these are the players who have, as I said. And coming to the, as I said, the bowling combination also I referred. And coming to the opening bowling combination for TKR, A. Hussain, K. Pai, J. Seals. Middle order bowling also, as I discussed everything. Players with good touch from both teams is Glenn Phillips, C. Munro, D. Bravo, K. Pollard, M. Rahman, F. Edwards, A. Ali. These are the players with good touch. So don't miss these players. And coming to the players to watch today is Cedric Walton. As I said, he didn't play anything in this tournament. So we have to see that he can get some huge runs in the middle order, because he can't play in the opening, but he can get some huge runs in the middle order. So we have to see today's match in the Cedric Walton. And coming to the Simmons also didn't play anything. And Rar Powell, as I said, he is the middle order batsman, but he has a responsibility of a captain, and he can get some crucial runs also. So we have to see T. Webster, Tim Seifert. These are the players we have to watch. And captain and vice captain choices are Glenn Phillips, Munro, Bravo, Pollard, R. Powell, Ham Rahman, C. Brathwaite. These are the captain and vice captain choice. You have to go with them. And please subscribe my Telegram channel, Target for Granny. If you like this video, please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. My Telegram channel link will be in my description. Thank you, friends.